Module 4.1 can control up to 4 loads with the following specs. First, you need to configure the switchboard module so that it can identify its home controller. For that, connect one end of the 4-pin cable to the home controller and the other end to the switchboard module. Now open the app, select Configure Module and then select Try Now. These exclamation marks should go away in about 30 seconds. Now you can go ahead and install the module in the switchboard panel. If you're not confident of opening the switchboard panel yourself, call an Innoho affiliate or your local electrician. For wiring, you can use thin wires for the switch side and thick wires for the load side. Typically, your switchboard wiring will look like this. What follows is the rewiring for Innoho. If your live and neutral are interchanged and the wiring looks like this, then rewire the switchboard to this. Now that you have the basics, you can go ahead and rewire. If you need to know about fans, two-way switches and double pole switches, watch till the end of this video. Stick the antenna to the back or the front of the switchboard panel, but ensure that it does not touch any metal surface and is as far away from metal as possible. Also secure the wire to protect the joint from accidental pulls. Now close the switchboard panel and you can start using Innoho. Some info on the app. 1. If you see an exclamation mark next to a device, that could either mean that the module is out of range or most likely the module is not getting power. 2. The app will always reflect the state of the load. You can use the app when the physical switch is on or off. And you can use the physical switch as well. Now let's go back to wiring. Fans, two-way switches and double pole switches. For fan regulation, you can either use the physical regulator or the Innoho app regulator. Both these cannot be used simultaneously. If you choose to use the physical fan regulator, this is how you should rewire it. However, if you choose to use the Innoho app regulator, you should 1. Disconnect the physical fan regulator, 2. Connect this jumper, which by default is disconnected, and 3. Activate the fan regulator on the app. Now let's consider two-way switches. There are 3 ways in which two-way switches are wired. Case 1, Case 2, and Case 3. Finally, let's consider double pole switches. Basically, you should convert them into a single pole switch by shorting one of the poles and then rewire as explained earlier.